Three. Well, now we've got, I think we've got one back here, don't we? So it's two now.
All right. You're dead. Hold on. We'll check the kill out first. Yeah, we've got yellow in this one.
Yep.
In here, yeah. And they're coming from the bottom window.
There's an open window in here, yeah? There's an open window though, isn't there, in there?
Yeah, it's the open window just there.
Yeah, the first window.
Okay.
First window in the cover.
Oh. Hit! When you say that, I didn't get hit that whole time walking around.
No. Is that clear in there? No, not yet. One's coming out, got another one still in there. Sorry, mate. Sorry. Nice done.
Yellow come from over there, go down.
Hit! You good?
I don't know.
Coming round.
Nothing happening when you pull the trigger. Yeah, I'm not getting out there. Hit! We're going to need to rush that, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm fat. I don't rush, mate. I can't do it.
You good?
Yeah.
We're pinned down from this green building.
Let's try go for him, mate.
Keep fire on there, I'll try and fuck all I'm going to do with this from here.
Keep your head down, bro. But then they're close, they're all over the field now, beyond those bums over there. Over the RBC. Close to the middle.
Okay.
Have we got another game?
Let me know, let me know. Oh! You able to keep their heads down? Hit! Oh! That side.
They're in the nursery, they're in the nursery.
I've got 1 round.
Final stand. So all at that grand building. That's me, all right. Sit back, sit back. There. Still fucking gone healthy yet.
I've got 1 round, there's no fuck all I'm doing here. There's a guy firing across from this way.
You want to be a runner if you don't have ammo?
Sure.
Silver canister. We'll cover. Wait, you with me? Come with me. Silver canister.
Watch, 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 watch!
Stop, tuck in, tuck in. Hit, mate. Good shot. Hit. Hit.
Keep that window look. Watch in here, watch in here, watch in here.
Go.